Okay, hello students. In the previous class we discussed some concept regarding to the movable pulley problems. In this class we are going to continue the last session about movable pulley. Okay, next question is like this. Okay, this is acceleration A. Find the acceleration of the movable pulley. Acceleration A is equal to acceleration of the movable pulley. Okay, this mass is 1 kg and this one is 8 kg. And acceleration of this thing A is equal to 0 because it is fixed. A is equal to 0 because that one is fixed. And tension in this black is equal to T. Here also tension T. Here also tension T. Okay. This T is equal to 2. This tension is equal to 2. Okay. Weight of this black acts in downward direction, that is 1 G. 1 G. Here weight is equal to normal reaction. Therefore they cancel out. Now find out acceleration of the movable pulley. Acceleration of the movable pulley. This acceleration is A. This acceleration is 0 because it is this string is fixed. This end is fixed. Therefore only this end is is in motion. Therefore acceleration is in downward direction. Acceleration is in downward direction. Clear? Acceleration is in downward direction. Therefore acceleration of the pulley AP is equal to, we know that A1 plus A2 divided by A1 plus A2 divided by 2. Therefore AP is equal to, AP is in downward direction, movable pulley direction is downward. Therefore we take it as negative. AP is equal to, A1 is also in downward. Therefore we take it as A plus A is equal to, A2 is equal to 0 divided by 2. Minus cancel. AP is equal to A by 2. AP is equal to A by 2. Clear? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು acceleration A ಇದೆ, ಈ acceleration ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? A by 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. For example, this acceleration is 2A. This acceleration is 2A. Imagine this acceleration is 2A. What about the acceleration of the movable pulley? Is A. Is A. Acceleration of the movable pulley is A. Clear? Now calculate what is the tension. Tension is equal to question mark. Okay. Free body diagram for this block is 3 kg. Acceleration is 2 e. Tension is 3. Acceleration is 2 e and tension is 3. Now write the equation. M is 3 into A is 2, that is 6A is equal to T. 6A is equal to T. Clear? 6A is equal to T. Call it as equation number 1. Free body diagram for this man. 1 kg. Downward direction is g. Acceleration is AP is equal to A. Acceleration of the movable pulley and this acceleration is C. And tension is in upward direction pulley. Write the equation. Equation is M into A. M is 1 into A is A is equal to G minus 2T upward direction. Therefore 6A is equal to T. 6A is equal to T. Here A is equal to G minus 2T. Equation number 2. Equation number 1 is 6A is equal to T. 6A is equal to T. Then multiply this equation by 2. Multiply this equation by 2. Therefore 3x. First equation is same. A is equal to G minus 2T. And the second equation 6 2s are 12. A is equal to 2T. 2T cancel. 12A plus A. 12A plus A is 13A is equal to G. Is equal to G. A is equal to G by 30. A is equal to G by 30. What is the acceleration of the movable pulley? A is equal to G by 30. What is the acceleration of this flux? 2A. 2 into A is G by 30. 2G by 30. 2G by 30. Clear? Next. Next is this is fixed pulley and this one is movable pulley. This one is fixed and this one is movable. Movable pulley. And this is fixed pulley. Fixed pulley. And the tension in this spring is T. Here also tension is T. Here also tension is T. Tension is T. And this one is this tension is T plus T. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಇದು ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. T plus T is 2T. This tension is 2T. Clear? This is T. Here also T and 2. Imagine this acceleration is in downward direction is E. Acceleration is in downward direction E. Okay. And what is the acceleration of this spring? A. What is the acceleration of this? A is equal to 0 because this end is fixed. This end is fixed. This is A and this one is 0. This one is 0. And this black is moving in this direction. Therefore, acceleration of the pulley, movable pulley is also in the direction of acceleration. How to calculate acceleration of the movable pulley? Therefore, we know that AP is equal to in the direction of acceleration A plus 0 by 2. AP is equal to A by 2. AP is equal to A by 2. Okay. Now imagine this mass is 3 kg and this one is 2 kg. Okay, 2 kg. Now calculate the acceleration. A is equal to how much? A is equal to how much? Write the free body diagram for this one and free body diagram for this one and then simplify, you will get the answer. How to simplify? Free body diagram for 3 kg black 3a is equal to 3g minus the correct as equation number 1, and for second the 2 kg acceleration is equal to acceleration of movable pulley and this black acceleration is same. Therefore a by 2 and tension is 2. Now write the equation. Acceleration is equal to m into a, m is 2 into a is a by 2 is equal to 2t. 2 cancel. A is equal to 2. A is equal to how much? 2t. Substitute the a value to this equation. A is equal to t. T is equal to how much? T is equal to a by 2. T is equal to a by 2. Tension is equal to a by 2. What is the value of a? A is equal to 2t. If tension is given, a is equal to 2t. Or otherwise, 3a. A value substitute करो. A is equal to 2t. 3 into 2t is equal to 3g minus 3. This becomes to this side. It becomes positive. 3 to the 6t plus t is equal to 3g. 6t plus t is equal to 7t is equal to 3g. T is equal to 3g by 7 in terms of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. T is equal to 3g by 7. After the substitute the t value to this equation, a is equal to 2 times of 3g by 7. That is 6g divided by 7. 6g divided by 7. This is the solution. Okay. Next. Okay, this is the problem. Here, the movable pulley is, this one is the movable pulley, this one is the movable pulley, and this one is fixed. Movable pulley. Okay. For example, if this clock moves in downward direction with acceleration a, what about this acceleration? Is a or not? This acceleration and this acceleration is not equal because this is movable pulley. This is movable pulley. How to calculate for this type of problems? For example, this is, we take it as acceleration a1 and this one is a simply and this one is a2. Okay, a1 into a3. This is 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg. 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg. Imagine this tension is P, here also P, but here 2T. Here 2T. And this is also 2T. Weight is G, weight is 2G, weight is 3G. How to simplify? What is the acceleration of the movable pulley? For example, this moves with an acceleration a1. What is the acceleration of this pulley? Here also a1. Here also a1. A1 is in upward direction or downward direction? Downward direction. A1. AP is equal to a1. AP is equal to a1. That is equal to a1 plus a2 divided by 2 is the formula. Here a2 is in upward direction. A2 is in upward direction. A2 is in upward direction. We take it as positive A2. And A3 is in downward direction. We take it as negative. A3. Here A1 is also AP. Acceleration of the movable pulley is also in downward direction. Therefore, AP is also negative. Minus AP divided by 2. Minus A1 is equal to A2 minus A3 divided by 2. 2 comes to this side. Minus 2A1 is equal to A2 minus A3. Acceleration of the movable pulley. AP is equal to minus A1. AP is equal to minus A1. That is equal to 2A2 minus A3 divided by 2. Multiply 2. Minus 2A is equal to A2 minus A3. Call it as equation number 1. 2A minus 2A. A1 A2 minus A3. Minus 2A1 is equal to A2 minus A3. Okay. Call it as equation number 1. After that, write the free body diagram for mass 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg. For mass 1 kg, this is in G. Acceleration is in upward direction, that is A1. And tension is also in the direction of acceleration, that is 2p. Now write the equation. A1 is equal to m into A1. M into A1. M is 1, A1. 1 into A1 is equal to 2t minus G. A1 is equal to 2t minus G. Call it as equation number 2. Similarly for mass 2 kg. Weight is in downward direction 2g. Acceleration is A2, upward direction. And tension is T. Therefore, 2 into A2, mass is 2 kg. That is equal to T minus 2g. Call it as equation number 3. Equation number 3. For black 3 of mass 3 kg, 3g is in downward direction. Tension T is in upward direction. And A3 is in downward direction. Therefore, 3 into A3 is equal to 3g minus call it as equation number 4. Okay. Therefore, equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Equation number 2 is A1 is equal to 2g minus 3. And equation number 3, 2A2 is equal to T minus 2g. Equation number 4 is 3A3 is equal to 3g minus T. Okay. How to simplify? How to calculate acceleration? How to calculate tension? Here, minus 2A is equal to minus 2A1 is equal to A2 minus A3. A2 minus A3. Here A1 is there, A2 is there, A3 is there. Substitute A1, A2, A3. Simplify. Then you will get tension in terms of G. Simply okay. Substitute A1 on here T is equal to okay. A1 is equal to substitute A1 to this equation. A1 to this equation and A2 and A3. Minus 2 into A1 value is 2t minus g is equal to A2 value is t minus 2g divided by 2. T minus 2g divided by 2 minus of A3 value 3g minus t divided by 3. 3g minus t divided by 3. Okay, now simplify. How to simplify? 2 into 2 minus 4t minus into minus plus 2g is equal to 2 and 3 LCM 6. 3 into t minus 2g minus 2 into 3g minus t. 3g minus t minus 4t plus 2g is equal to 3 into t is 3t minus 6g to this side. 6 4s are 24 minus 24t plus 12g is equal to 3t minus 6g minus 6g plus 3. Then again simplify. Minus 24t plus 12g. 12g comes to this side, it becomes negative. Remaining term 3t minus 6g minus 6g is 12g minus 12g plus t. This is 3t and this one is t. 4t minus 24t. 40 comes to left hand side, it becomes negative. That is 40 is equal to minus 12 minus 24g minus 24g. This is 24t minus 40. That is minus 28t is equal to minus 24g. Minus minus cancel. T is equal to 24g divided by 28. 24g divided by 28. 28 or 29. Here 2 into t is 2t. This is 2t, not t. 2t. 2t. Here 5t. This is 29. Here also 29. Okay. 2 into 3g, 6g. Minus into minus plus. 2 into t is 2t. Okay. 2t, 2t, 2t. And 3t plus 2t is 5t. 24t minus 5t is 29t. That is equal to minus 24t minus minus cancel. T is equal to 24t divided by 29. T is equal to 24t divided by 29. If you want, what is the acceleration given? Substitute t value to this equation. You will get acceleration given. After that, how to calculate a2? Substitute t value, you will get acceleration a2. Substitute t value, acceleration a3. Okay. If they ask a1, substitute t value. If they ask a2, substitute t value. If they ask a3, substitute and simplify the equations. Okay. Like this, we simplify movable only problems. Okay. In the next class, we discuss next concepts and also remaining problems. Okay. Thank you, students.